I'm a lady aged 27 years, so I've been dating a guy who is 26 years. From last year January to beginning of this year. Then takabva tasiyana because I always felt like ndiri chimhama kwaari, but he was a good guy. Then I met another in August. He is 35 years and he is into poultry farming because arikuti arikushayiwa basa. He has a degree in banking, what, and as for me, I go to work. So the issue here is I got pregnant for the guy ane 35 years uyu. Morning after Akandiitisa, and I later discovered that I'm pregnant end of October. I then told him and he was happy. Now the issue is he asked me kuti ditizire. Then at first I agreed, but I later changed my mind because the guy akatondiudza kuti he has money, he has been saving for his business. But instead yekuuya kuzobvisa shoma iyoyo, he is saying he wants to open another business, that he wants to change his life because he feels like my family is too rich. Anoda kuonekera or what. Imagine my reasons acho. He is not even talking about Kuroora. Whenever I try to talk to him, anotopindura rough. Hanzi Maria ndinayo aisiye Kuroora. Hanzi let's go away tiende kumarondera because Maria handina yekuroora. So I got frustrated and stressed till I bumped into my ex I mentioned earlier. We were 26 years. He comforted me and things went to another level. The guy akutotaura zvekutondiroora despite kuti nhumbu yandinayo haisi yake. He was even insisting kuti tinotenga hembe dzemwana together. Zvese nekuenda kwadoctor. He is saying he will be there for me. Apa he calls every day checking up on me. And he even buys some of my cravings andinawo panhumbu iyi. Apa uyu ane 35 uyu, he doesn't even call to check up on me. He once told me kuti there's another story from a certain family yaari kutoripa mari yedamage now. So I'm confused now kuti ndoita sei because I don't want to make a decision I will regret later in life. Ndoenda kune ane 26 years here, ndosiya uyo ane 35, o ndoita sei? Ndibatsirewo hama dzangu.